Good morning, everyone here. Good morning, everyone here. Please open your books. Please open your books. Listen to me, please. Listen to me, please. Look at the board. Look at the board. Repeat after me now. Repeat after me now. Do you understand this? Do you understand this? Raise your hand, please. Raise your hand, please. Work in small pairs. Work in small pairs. Write this in notebooks. Write this in notebooks. Be quiet, please class. Be quiet, please class. Stop talking right now. Stop talking right now. Is this clear enough? Is this clear enough? Take out your pens. Take out your pens. Finish the exercise today. Finish the exercise today. Great job. Very good. Great job. Very good. Can you say that? Can you say that? Work on the activity. Work on the activity. Try it again slowly. Try it again slowly. Who knows the answer? Who knows the answer? Let us check answers. Let us check answers. Good work. Nice job. Good work. Nice job. Is everyone ready now? Is everyone ready now? Sit down, please, students. Sit down, please, students. Put your bags away. Put your bags away. See you next class. See you next class.